My name is Tia Ribeiro and I'm Product Manager for the INDASA Group. Today, let me introduce you our new Smart Repair Kit, which is part of our ProX line of tools. We are talking about a cordless tool which will be provided in a stackable hard case for protection and transport. Now, let's take a look of the contents of the Smart Repair Kit. Inside of the kit, we have the tool. So it's a cordless tool that comes without the battery. We have two batteries, three adapters, a rotary one, a random orbital with 3 mm of radius orbit, and the other one with 12 mm of radius orbit. In terms of backing pad, we have one with 30 mm diameter, a grip one, other with the same dimension but self-adhesive, and the bigger one, it's a grip one with 75 mm. The manuals, we have one for the battery and the manual for the tool itself. So with the manual, this manual, you will receive a paper with a QR code to get your 2 extra years of warranty. All you need to do is follow the form. Now, let's talk a little bit about the way you can work with the tool. So the first thing you need to do is to connect the battery to the tool. It's very easy. Just put the battery here and it's done. So now you are able to start the machine. Here you have a green indication of the speed you are working with. Another thing you need to do is to put a backing pad in an adapter. With this, you can do different combinations between the adapters and the backing pads. And with this combination, you can sand or polish. As you know, you cannot fit this backing pad with 75 mm of diameter with this rotary adapter. As you can see, it's very easy to connect the backing pad and the adapter. So the tool have a quick lock system and it's very easy to connect the backing pad and the adapter to the tool. And magic happens. Let me also refer that we have a lock speed system. On top of the tool, you can see clearly the range of the speed that you have available. So, apart from the Smart Repair Kit, you can also buy the charger for the battery and extra batteries. Please remember, ProX, for professionals by experts.